Here it is. Just picked this guy up. 180 bucks. It's not too bad. It's kind of rough. After I was looking it over, I found out that it's got a solenoid down in there, and it's got a starter. It's electric start. I don't know if the motor's froze up or not. The CVT clutch is on it. Doesn't look too bad. Tires are flat. It's gonna be a fun little project. It's got spotlights on it. Front wheels turn, the rear wheels turn. Looks like it's got a key ignition. We'll have to take that out because I don't have the key. Got an on and off kill. Yeah, pretty cool little quad. I call it a quad. GoCart. Should be fun. This is the next project. Can't wait to get it going. I don't know if I didn't try pulling it. No, she sounds stuck. Yeah, we'll see what happens. He looks good though. Check the brakes. Throttle moves. Brakes are frozen. Throttle's frozen. Looks like it's leaking gas. Alright. Well, there it is. Next project. I'm not sure what make this is. Doesn't really say. Pretty cool. Alright. Oh, there it is right there. GoCart Brothers Manufacturing Company, Alabama. This is the next project. If it's something you guys want to watch, make sure you subscribe. Hit the thumbs up. I'm going to try to get this motor running. If I can't get it running, we're going to do a crazy build on it. Maybe a snowmobile engine or a street bike engine. We'll see. If it's something you guys want to see, like I said, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and keep your eyes open for the next videos on this. It might be a while, but they'll be coming.